there's never been a better time to get into art and get into drawing. The amount of information that is available for free has never been higher. You can, just with an internet connection, go to TikTok and go to YouTube. Those are your two big resources. Everything you want is there. I would recommend find 3 or 4 artists that you like who are giving away free drawing or free painting tutorials. I myself have 250 tutorials here on TikTok, another 150 over on YouTube. I also have a Patreon account with exclusive content for more serious artists. But that's just me, and there are many others. So it's an amazing time to get back into drawing. Do try to draw every day, even if it's just for 10 or 15 minutes. It's really important to get your hand and your eye, your coordination, the way you see and the way you think about the world and drawing. Remember, when you draw, when you're an artist, you're not just drawing, you're not just being an artist, you are being part of the creator class. So to be a creator means you're not destroying,